Get in, man. What are you waiting for?
I got lost.
It is day one of the Patagonia adventure. We're here in Santiago and we're off to the airport. We made it to the airport. We have like maybe an hour and a half until our flight leaves, and I'm actually really excited for this flight because we have a quick stop in Puerto Montt. So I'm thinking maybe we'll be able to see Osorno, the big volcano, as we fly over, as we land in. So yeah, maybe some flight footage coming up right now. So we made it to Punta Arenas. That Sky Airlines service is good, but man, I've never been on a plane with more cramped seats and so little leg room. You comfortable? You feeling good?
No. I had a bit of an accident.
So, not only were the seats tight and cramped, but Tom, turns out, he's a messy eater, spilled Coke everywhere, there's crumbs everywhere, we're leaving behind like just the biggest mess on that plane.
Yeah, they need to send in the cleanup crew, for sure.
Yeah, it got ugly in there. Anyways, I'm gonna be done filming right now for the day because we're picking up participants today and tomorrow morning, and that's gonna be boring to film. So I'm gonna cut right now till tomorrow, where we're gonna head off and shoot a sunset. See you there. So I said I was done vlogging for today and I was gonna talk to you guys tomorrow, but one, Tom may or may not have lost his wallet on the plane, but we did recover it, which was funny. I didn't film it, but it was funny. And two, we just got into our hotel in Punta Arenas, and I never get the nice hotel room. And somehow, just by luck, I didn't request this, they put me in the corner suite we're at the Hotel Plaza, and I've got like a Cinderella princess balcony here straight onto the plaza, and that building's under construction. That sky is epic and the church is right there. So I'm gonna leave you guys with a time-lapse transition and I'll see you guys tomorrow. So about half the group's here. Seems like a cool group, and I'm only saying that because they're right behind me and they can hear me. No, it seems like a cool group, and they're not all here because what's happening is there's a massive strike. There's a massive LATAM strike, so a bunch of people are coming tomorrow. But we're not going to let that hold us back. We're going to go out and shoot sunset today. It's been raining a bit, but it's supposed to clear up, and we're literally going to drive south as far as the roads go in Chile. This is freaking terrifying. So this is pure insanity. I've hopefully got some of Tom's footage of this, but we drove along the coast here. Some taxi driver stopped us and he said, be careful because the tide's higher than it usually is. And this is the road. The road is being like hammered by waves all around us, and I freaked out because it looks like we could get washed away. So I pulled in here right now, and oh my God, this is intense. Whew. So this is where the road comes back inland, and to get here, we would need to drive a little bit farther down the beach. And it doesn't look any worse than what we've just done. I think we could get here, but I don't know. I feel like if it was by myself, I would definitely do it. With other people, I still might have them get all their gear out, walk up here, and then we'll drive up. But yeah, I guess decision time. We made a decision. and I'm gonna make the attempt. This is fun. I'm not gonna lie to you, this is fun.
Dolphins! We've got dolphins! Go, 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 go! Oh God! And we made it!
That was the most fun I've had in so long. We cruised through that. A little bit of side swiping, side sliding through it, but that was fun. Okay, continuing to the end of the earth, and hopefully the tides have dropped by the time we come back. We made it to the end of the road, and now we have like a hike. No, not like a hike. Now we have a definite hike for, I think they said it's about an hour each way. And the light looks awesome. It rained really hard on the way here. The rain stopped. Yeah, this is absolutely beautiful in here. The adventure continues because it's high tide and the water is now up here, and you can see that it's not that deep way out there on like a ridge. But Mitchell, who's over there, and by the way, Mitchell, by the time this video is online, will have posted his first ever vlog to his channel as well. So go follow Mitchell's vlog. It's in the description below. He decided he was just gonna run across and just try to make it.
Oh, he's going! He's going! Oh! Go! 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 Left!
But it turns out it was about waist deep, and he almost lost his camera, he almost lost his bag. And yeah, so now the rest of us are on this side trying to figure out how we're gonna cross. This was supposed to be like an easy start of the trip, just to drive down and shoot somewhere. It's turned into a bit of an epic adventure because we're following this hike and it's just turned us inland, which doesn't make sense because we're going to the lighthouse that's straight down on the coast. And the maps on the internet, on Google, show a road straight down the coast. So we think we're not lost, we just think we're going the wrong way. And we gotta make a decision quick because the light's coming down, if we're gonna push on or if we're gonna turn back. And this has turned into an adventure, definitely an adventure. And this is Mitchell who went in all the way. Look, the water's right here on him. Hilarious. Yeah. How was it? Was it warm?
It wasn't too bad actually.
So part of me feels like that was a bit of a failed adventure, but with the tides high, it was just impossible, especially to do it safe. So I think it's not a failed adventure as long as we can go and make a photo somewhere. And there's not a lot for background, but there's lots of like logs on the beach, there's lots of really nice stones on the beach, and it is really beautiful here. If you can't make a photo here, you can't make a photo anywhere. So we're gonna try to go make a photo. So we were coming through on the way in and we saw this tree, and on the way out now we decided to drive a little bit to try to find something, and we've seen this tree now and the light is just really, really beautiful on it. It looks like there's probably only 1 or 2 shots, but we're all gonna get our tripods set up and shoot this because it is just absolutely beautiful with that light in the background. Let me just talk quickly about the magic, the absolute magic of Patagonia. We've come down here to take this picture of this tree. I took it, didn't really love it, but then the tide started receding and this log that's obviously been cut made for a really cool foreground now. And now as the tide's dropping, there's all this foreground starting to evolve. And on top of it, the sky is just unreal. So this is just beautiful. that was awesome. That was like the best start of the trip, especially considering 1, we weren't planning on shooting at all today. 2, we went through that epic drive to get here, that like walk and everything, and then 3, it was just, yeah, it was just perfect. So that's it for, I guess, day 1 here in Patagonia. Day 2 tomorrow, we're heading north to Puerto Natales. Catch you later. Peace.